नहीं है कि इंडिया में कुछ है नहीं, जस्ट दैट मे बी हम उतना ज़्यादा अवेयर नहीं है या हमने शीन से आगे बढ़कर कभी कुछ देखा ही नहीं, लेट्स जस्ट कॉल इट दैट. Now the point is, I don't see any point in giving shout out through my. I know my channel is not that popular, but फिर भी if you guys are getting to know about certain brands through my video, then I believe that those brands should be the ones that are not as famous or that you might have not heard the name of. They are doing good and they are like, you know, small and growing businesses.
Do I have your attention?
Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for such a good response on my previous video. Now, yes, this video is again about Shein alternatives, and yes, I have got a haircut. I did this on my own. If you want to know how the whole experience and reaction was, you can go to my Instagram. I have a video there actually. Now, moving on. In this video will be showing you accessories alternative because guys, listen, I take your comments really seriously. So one of you guys commented that you want to see, you know, accessories alternative for Shein, and I'm back with it. Yeah, without any further ado, I think I should just begin with the video. Let's begin. Now let's begin with the bags first of all, and then we'll be slowly moving on. So there are the video is divided into 4-5 sections. First is for bags and belts. The second one is for footwear. The third one is for earrings. Footwear wala section you will definitely love. And apart from that, there's this one section which I will say, name something as miscellaneous or all the cutesy stuff. So you know, mobile covers and other itsy bitsy things that were really cute. And on Shein, I have two alternatives for that too. So yeah, let's begin with the bags and belts one. So I know personally, Shein se I used to shop a lot of clothes, but for some reason I know that these jute bags were kind of why Shein got more popular when it comes to bags. ज़्यादातर लोगों ने I can bet on this jute bags ही लिए हैं bags वाले section से वहाँ से. So you know, I thought maybe वही है that you must be missing. क्योंकि jute bags का I have some names written over here. So there's this site brand Jaypore, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So yeah, Jaypore का this jute bag 600 something, really nice handmaker's bag. I love it. I'm most probably going to order it soon. Belts. So belts, but I found this I'm not sure if this is Indian. I guess this is Indian. DNMX. So यहाँ का belts, there are like, अच्छा Shein जितनी variety of belts, or you know, a belt like that brown one. I'll show you the pictures over here. So belts like that, so I couldn't really find honestly. But you know, belts in different colors and shades that you can easily find in flea market whenever you can. Obviously, whenever we can go out, we can go shop from there. Otherwise, there's this brand DNMX. This is on Ajio or you know, and other websites as well, e-commerce sites. So you can shop if you are looking for belts in different colors. This is the brand, affordable one you can go for. So now, if you are looking for something that is colorful, vivacious, cute, you know, multicolored or has unicorns, be it mobile covers, be it planners, be it headphones, chargers, or fairy lights, bottles, mugs, bags. So I have these two names in mind. One is Chumbak, you all know already. I really like the colors they have playing, the patterns, everything. The products, the best thing about Chumbak is they have really unique products, like really unique. But yeah, something if I would have to name something similar to Shein, alternative of the Shein cutesy things that they used to sell there, then I would say Sugarbox India for sure. Here are some things that you can, you know, take the hint from. Okay, now for footwear, I would say Street Style Stock. I'll have to rate their footwear out of all the footwear brands that I'm going to theirs is like 10 on 10 for me. I'm soon going to order from here. Look at the colors they have going on their website. Look at the price that they are selling it at, and look at the designs, footwear designs they are selling. I love this. The best piece of information that I'm going to share with you in this entire video is about the boots. The two brands that I'm going to take the name of, right? One is Indian, one is not. But these boots are affordable. These boots are better than the ones you have seen on Shein. I bet on that. So drum roll, you guys. The name is Cupid and Truffle Collection. So I'll probably put the Cupid video here and Truffle Collection video here. And then you see. So I'm showing you just a few of them. You can for sure go to their websites or go to Ajio ka website to explore their stuff and order from there. And the price is like boots, such good cute boots at a price, thigh-high boots in fact for 1200. I mean, what are we talking about? Shein पर भी इतने अच्छी footwear सस्ता तो नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. That's the thing. Clothes वहाँ पर बहुत affordable थे, I agree. But footwear कुछ इतना ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा cheap तो नहीं था. अच्छा था, but ऐसा नहीं था कि वैसा कहीं और नहीं मिलता. I feel. If I have to take two brand names that are Indian and comfortable, उनके designs अच्छे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा stilettos की बात नहीं कर रही मैं इसमें, like kitten heels or wedges basically. So then I'll take the name of Sindhi Footwear and Catwalk. So some of the designs I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to put a video of both of these here. These are some of the things that you can the footwear that they are selling on Ajio. Now they have their own individual websites as well. You can shop. Sindhi Footwear doesn't have. I searched for it. Catwalk has. So Catwalk is from California. It's not Indian, but the prices and the design is what you're going to love. So street style store is also great, but the only thing that disappoints me a lot is their delivery timing. I don't know how much they have improved or not. Honestly, I never ordered because I've seen my friends ordering through the website and getting their orders after a lot of जद्दोजहद. एक महीने 2 महीने बाद, after so many follow-ups and everything. कभी-कभी किसी को बहुत जल्दी मिल जाता है, कभी-कभी किसी को अपना delivery नहीं हो पा रहे होते हैं items. But yeah, the things are really cute and affordable. But yes, footwear is something that they sell really cute soft footwear at. Shein का अगर पक्का alternative बोलना मुझे footwear में, then I would say Ajio. So Ajio के app में ही, instead of shopping from any other brand that they that is showcasing their products on their website, instead of that आप Ajio का footwear, Ajio brand का ही footwear वहाँ पर footwear column में जाके search करो. They are so unique, so good, colorful चाहिए, stilettos चाहिए, whatever heel size, whatever you want, the pattern, the colors, they have everything. I loved their collection and the price. Like there are some footwear that are say up to 500, 600 and really unique. So this is what the best part about, like Ajio can beat Shein on when it comes to this footwear collection. Yes, it can. It has. Okay, now coming to the jewelry part, which will include earrings, hair clips, the metallic ones that you loved on Shein, and what else? Neck pieces. Yes, and rings. Yes, rings as well. So yeah. Brand that I would like to take the name of is everstylish.com. This is Indian website. They have a really great Instagram page maintained as well. They have a huge following. Most of you might be knowing about the brand already. This is really affordable. अच्छा यहाँ पर Indian ethnic jewelry भी मिलती है, junk jewelry, silver jewelry, and you also get those kind of jewelries that, like the one that I'm wearing right now on my hands or on in my ears. So इस तरीके का jewelry I have like a big stock from Shein. Earrings and clothes I used to shop like anything from there, like from there only to be specific. So everstylish.com, almost the same price, yeah, 150, 150. This is the kind of price that you can get many of the earrings, rings and neck pieces from there. Moving on, if you are into purchasing modest tops sort of thing, pearly, then the name is Zaveri Pearls. You can find this on Ajio. So Zaveri Pearls, you can surely shop from these two brands, Just Peachy and Projective as well. These are some of the earrings that I really love, and I'm going to surely get them. Apart from that, there are some Instagram pages like Balls of Wax, if I'm right. Yes, Balls of Wax, the neck pieces, the earrings, some of them are so unique and so good. One other brand that is selling their jewelry on Flipkart. So the name of the brand is Alia Impex Overseas. Don't go by the name. Their main office or the address that they have mentioned on their Instagram page is of Muradabad. So yes, small business, growing business, go shop from them. Bangles, earrings and other things that I am showing you in the video. So brass and copper is what their jewelry is majorly made of, and quite affordable. For the metallic clips, I did search a lot, couldn't really find something really nice, really good metallic clips just like there were on Shein. These two e-commerce platforms that I found, Easy Mall. Now in this Easy Mall का spelling there is double S, and On Shop Deal. So these two sites are the ones that have metallic clips. In my opinion, frankly, अभी इतनी research कर ली है मैंने, so I can firmly say that कोई one stop destination नहीं है Shein की तरह. Maybe सिर्फ एक ये drawback है थोड़ा सा, which I'm sure we'll be able to get over in the coming time. तो yeah, so it's like Shein पर एक जगह थी जहाँ पे हमें सब मिल जाता था, be it clothes, footwear, bags or anything, you name it, they have it. But यहाँ पर it's like you have to source it from different places. किसी website की कोई चीज़ अच्छी है, किसी की कोई चीज़ अच्छी है, and then you also have to keep in mind the affordability question. And इसीलिए I have not included brands that you know of or are very high end or pricey. I always make it a point to tell you about anything and everything that's affordable. If you have any other brand names in mind who are like, they can be Instagram pages, they can be anything, maybe a small website or anything that I have missed upon. I know there are many, लेकिन मुझे नहीं मिली उस time पे when I was compiling this list. So what you can do is you can tell me the names in the comments, and I'll make sure that I mention all of these in the description box below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you would like to see. I'll see you next time very soon. Take care, stay home, stay safe.